Cloudflare or Vercel? Let's settle the debate in 2 minutes. If you're a web dev staring at these two giants, here's the fastest way to pick. Cloudflare is all about scale, speed, and cost control. Think high-traffic sites, tight budgets, or security-focused projects. It runs on a monster global network, over 300 data centers, so your app is always close to your users, no matter where they are. Worried about sudden spikes in traffic? Cloudflare's got your back with unlimited bandwidth, even on the free tier. No surprise charges, ever. Plus, you get advanced security out of the box. DDoS protection, WAF, bot mitigation, the works. But here's the catch. Cloudflare isn't the easiest to set up. You'll need to roll up your sleeves, write some config, and dig through docs. Now, Vercel? It's built for developer happiness, especially if you're in the Next.js universe. As the creators of Next.js, Vercel gives you a gold standard dev experience, instant preview URLs, seamless Git integration, and zero config deploys. If you want to ship fast, Vercel's smooth dashboard and buttery CLI make it a dream for front-end teams and startups. The ecosystem is stacked too, tight integrations with GitHub, Shopify, and more. But all that polish comes at a price. Free tier bandwidth is capped, and paid plans start at $20 a month. Watch out for API cold starts too. They can lag for about a second if your function's been sleeping. So, which to choose? Go Cloudflare if you want unbeatable scale, the lowest costs, or need serious security. Pick Vercel if you're building with Next.js and want the fastest, slickest developer experience on the planet. The best platform is the one that fits your workflow.